new bad boys. All right, we're here at the tire shop. We're gonna get some tires. All right, I pulled in over to Ed's Tire. I'm gonna walk inside and pay for my tires.
He's not, he's only about 7 years old. He has separation anxiety, terrible, and he's turned so white.
Oh, no.
Because every time I leave him, he has a real hissing fit.
Oh.
And I have him so spoiled.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody dumped him out. My grandson found him.
Yep. Hill here. Van looks like. Oh, look at these tires. Look at these things. These things. So good. So chunky. That looks good. Now I just gotta clean it up. There, my rims are a little dirty there. May need to repaint that again. I should just get actual rims, but yeah, those are gonna be nice and chunky. That's great. All right, so that is the 225 75 R16, the Toyo tires. These are the Open Country AT3 on the 2019 Ram Promaster 1500. All right, so right off the bat, just pulling away from getting the tires put on here, I can definitely tell that it's not a city tire anymore. I had the Firestone Transporter tires on here before, and these things are definitely a lot chunkier than those things are. So pulling out, you can definitely feel the grip, but then you can also feel the extra effort that the vehicle has to put in to be able to actually rotate those tires, just because there's a little bit more rotation weight on these tires. I think that is the only, the only factor, but I honestly think these are probably quieter than the other tires that I had on here before. I honestly can't even really hear the tires at all. And that's up to the recommended settings, which I believe it's 65 PSI in the front and 80 PSI in the rear for this van. But this is a 13 ply tire. My original tires were not 13 ply, and I had a little bit more body sway. Right now I do have a little bit of body sway still, but that's just in suspension. But all in all, I mean, it's a really quiet tire. I think this is going to perform very, very well on the off-road areas that I'm going to end up going to, just by going up to my camp, northern Pennsylvania, and my trips out west and down south to West Virginia. Yeah, all in all, I think this is really going to be a sweet tire, but we're going to have to find out.